In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods I use to create consistent voices for my characters using AI tools, just as I did in this example.
I assume you are the famous princess everyone keeps talking about. I expected someone more impressive.
And you must be the prince who believes the world revolves around him. I expected someone with better manners.
Manners are for those who need approval. I only need my crown.
A crown means nothing if the person wearing it lacks grace.
If you want your AI story videos to feel real, your characters must sound like the same person every single time. So how do you actually do that? The first method is using a voice changer. This is one of the easiest ways to generate consistent voices. Start by generating your video clips with audio using any AI video generating tool of your choice. In this example, I'm using Kling 3.0 inside OpenAI. Upload an image of your first character and type in exactly what you want them to say. Ensure to include the traits of your character's voice. In my case, the man is proud, confident, and slightly arrogant, and his voice should be African, deep, calm, and controlled, but he also speaks slowly, and this is exactly what I want him to say. After that, hit generate. As the video is generating, repeat the same process for the second character. Upload the image of your second character and paste in the traits that describes your second character's voice. In my case, the woman is elegant, confident, and sharp. Her voice should become clear and slightly firm. After that, I paste in exactly what my character has to say and hit generate. Now, repeat the same process we've just done for all the remaining parts of your story for these specific characters. And this is how the first generation of our first character will sound.
I assume you are the famous princess everyone keeps talking about. I expected someone more impressive.
And this is how the second generation of our second character sounds.
And you must be the prince who believes the world revolves around him. I expected someone with better manners.
Okay, now the challenge is if I try to generate the second scene of these 2 characters, I will get a different voice. Before I show you how you can log these voices inside OpenAI so that every time you generate your video clips of these 2 characters, you get the same voice, what we simply have to do is download these video clips into our PC or our phone by clicking on the download button here. Now, to change our voices, we will come over to ElevenLabs, and here we will come over to voice changer. Once it is selected, we upload the video clip of our first character talking. Once uploaded, on our left, we look for a specific voice that we are going to be using each and every time when generating a voice clip of this character. Play around these voices and look for a specific voice that will match your character. Not only that, but you can also clone your own voice and use it for this specific character. For this example, I'll be using Taquin, Posh, and English RP. And you can also play with the speed and the similarity of the voice. After that, just hit generate. And when it is done generating, this is exactly how it will sound.
I assume you are the famous princess everyone keeps talking about. I expected someone more impressive.
Okay, that's just so good. All we have to do is download it to save it into our PC. From there, we delete this voice. From there, we upload the video clip of our second character, who is the female character. Again, we look for a voice that will match or suit our character. For this example, I'm using Vanessa's voice. Just select it and hit generate. And once it's done generating, this is exactly how it will sound.
And you must be the prince who believes the world revolves around him. I expected someone with better manners.
Okay, if you love how it sounds, just hit download to save it into your PC. Now, once the video clips and the audio clips are generated, open any editing tool of your choice. For this example, I'll be using CapCut. Once CapCut is opened, upload both your video clips and your audio clips. Start by dragging the video clips to the timeline. From there, drag the audio files under the video clips according to their voices. Once that is done, right-click on the video clip and click on Extract Audio. From there, delete the audio you had generated in Kling 3.0. Do the same thing with the remaining video clips. Come to Extract Audio and delete that audio clip. From there, you only remain with the video clip and the audio clip you just generated inside ElevenLabs. And this is how it will all sound.
I assume you are the famous princess everyone keeps talking about. I expected someone more impressive.
And you must be the prince who believes the world revolves around him. I expected someone with better manners.
Okay, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. All you have to do is keep generating video clips for your story and keep replacing the audio files you got with a specific voice in ElevenLabs. Now, here is the second method. Imagine that you really love how this character sounds and you would really love to keep this sound and use it for the rest of your story. This is exactly how you can lock it so that every time you generate a video, you use the same sound. Come over to Open AI. If you're on the suite interface, switch to the previous version by selecting the previous version button. At the time of recording this video, it only works with Kling 2.6, so ensure that it's the model selected. I hope they added on the suite version and other models too. The first thing you want to do is drag and drop the image you would love to animate. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see the prompt box open up where you need to paste in everything that your character has to say. Not only that, but you also see the select voice icon. What we're going to do is, first of all, paste in exactly what our character will say. Now, after that, we need to create and lock the specific voice for this character so that every time we want to generate a video clip for this character, it comes with that specific audio. What we want to do is select voice, and from here we'll click on add voice. Now here, upload the audio clip or a video clip of your character talking. It has to be between 5 to 10 seconds. We're going to upload the exact video clip we generated in Kling 3.0 of our male character talking. Just drag and drop it there. As the video is uploading, give a name to your character. We'll call this one Prince. Ensure that you listen to it to confirm.
I assume you are the famous princess everyone keeps talking about.
Once it's done, just hit confirm. Okay, and once it's added, we'll see it here. You can do the same thing with your other characters. Just hit add voice, upload an audio file or video file for that specific character. Once the video file is uploaded, listen to it to confirm.
And you must be the prince who believes the world revolves around him. I expected someone with better manners.
Okay, once you confirm, give the voice a name. We'll call this one Princess and hit confirm, and we'll see the name of our voice written down here. All we have to do is select our specific voice, who is the prince for this clip, and we'll see the prince's icon uploaded here. All we have to do is select the duration and make sure that audio is on and hit create. For the second character, who is the princess, I repeat the same process. I delete the text in the prompt box and I paste in the text for my second character, delete this image, and we upload the image of our second character. From there, we select the voice for our character. In our case, it's the princess. Once selected, we scroll down and hit create. Now, you repeat the same process for all the remaining characters in your story. And once they are all generated, if we put them together in an editing tool, this is exactly how they will all sound.
I assume you are the famous princess everyone keeps talking about. I expected someone more impressive.
And you must be the prince who believes the world revolves around him. I expected someone with better manners.
Manners are for those who need approval. I only need my crown.
A crown means nothing if the person wearing it lacks grace.
There you go. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. That's how you do it. The final step I use to create consistent voices for my AI animation is by lip syncing. Now, there are many ways you can lip sync the character's mouth to an audio file so it looks like they are actually speaking. The first method is by number one, generating a video clip of your character talking without any audio sound, just like I did with this one. From there, we need to generate a separate audio file that will lip sync with our character. Now, for this one, you can record the sound yourself by having those exact expressions you would want and the tone you would want, and just remove the background from your audio and lip sync it with your character. This gives you more room to add your personal tone, personal expressions, personal emotions to the voice. Or if you do not want to use your voice, you can use any AI tool of your choice and generate an audio clip. Once you have your video clip and your audio file generated, what you want to do is come over to Dreamfest AI. Here, what you want to do is come to AI and select video lip sync. You can also lip sync from a photo, but I love doing it with a video because it has some kind of expression in it. From there, click on generate avatar. Here, what you want to do is click on the photo or video icon here to upload the video file of your character talking without any audio sound. Once the video file is uploaded, what you want to do is upload the audio file. Just click on audio and click on upload audio and choose from device and upload your audio file. From there, when you observe carefully, my audio file is almost 8 seconds and my video file is 5 seconds, but this will work just fine. That's one of the advantages of using Dreamfest. All I do is hit generate, and once it's generated, this is exactly what we get.
I assume you are the famous princess everyone keeps talking about. I expected someone more impressive.
Okay, though the quality of the animation is not to the point, the mouth syncs with the audio perfectly. Let me know which method you are likely to use in your AI animation to get your consistent voices. From here, let me see you in this next video where you can create amazing AI animated dialogue same videos. God bless you.